EXAIR digital flow meters can be installed on Schedule 40 iron or steel pipe, Type L copper pipe, and aluminum compressed air pipe. They can also be removed should you no longer want the digital flow meter in that particular location with the use of block-off rings. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove a digital flow meter from a 3/4 inch Schedule 40 black iron pipe. The procedure is the same for other size and types of pipes as well. First, depressurize the line. Follow your organization's policy to lock out or tag out that line. The 4 bolts on the model 9091 digital flow meter for 3/4 inch Schedule 40 pipe use a 3/16 inch Allen wrench. All 4 bolts will be removed. Take care to support the digital flow meter so it doesn't fall when you remove the last bolt. Once the digital flow meter is removed, fit the ring halves from model 901328 block-off ring kit over the holes, inserting the pins into the holes. Ensure the gasket stays flush with the inner surface of the ring half. Using the 3/16 inch Allen wrench, tighten the bolts to secure the block-off rings to the pipe. Remove locks or tags per your organization's policy, and slowly repressurize the line. You can use a solution of soap and water in a spray bottle to check for leaks. If you'd like to find out more about block-off rings, digital flow meters, or how EXAIR Corporation can help you get the most out of your compressed air system, contact an application engineer today. Thanks for watching.